Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue class 10 science. This is practice paper number 9, part C biology, and this is part 3 key answers. So in the previous video, we have answered all the questions related to chemistry. Now let us move for the biology part. It starts from 9th main. The first question of biology part is the final product of protein is dash glucose, vitamin, carbohydrates, amino acids. The final product of protein is option D, amino acids. So let us answer the first question, that is 15th one, option D, amino acids. So now let us move for the 16th question. So the 16th question is a 3-carbon compound is called as glucose, proteins, amino acids and pyruvate. So 6-carbon is called glucose and 3-carbon is called pyruvate. So for the 16th question, the right answer is option D, that is pyruvate. So now let us move for the 10th question, that is question number 17. So the 17th question is why plants need low energy. So plants need low energy because for the two reasons. First one, it will not move from place to place. This is the first reason. And the second reason is it has most of the cells. It has most of the dead cells. Since it has most of the dead cells, so it needs low energy. Now let us move for the question number, that is 18. What are stomata? Write its function. So what are stomata, and we have to write what are the functions of stomata. So what are stomata? So a small opening between guard cells are called stomata. Then what are the functions of stomata? It helps in exchange of gases. And second one, it regulates transpiration. So these are the two functions of stomata. So now let us move for question number 19, that is give reason. There is no mixing of carbon dioxide and oxygen blood in human heart. So that is first one. Second one, give reason. Arteries have no valves. So let us answer both the questions. So this is question number 19, give reason. In question number 19, the first give reason is there is no mixing of carbon dioxide and oxygen blood in human heart because there is a interventricular septum. So interventricular septum irodrinda oxygenated and deoxygenated blood will flow separately. Then second reason, arteries have no valves because the blood flows with high pressure in one direction. Blood flows with high pressure in one direction. So this is the answer for 19th question. So now let us move for the that is 20th question. So the question is, write the function of platelets, and we have to differentiate between blood and lymph. First let us write the function of platelets, and then let us differentiate between blood and lymph. So let us answer 20th A question. Write the function of platelets. Platelets helps in clotting of blood. It helps in clotting of blood. Next, second question. Differentiate between blood and lymph. So one side blood, another side lymph. The first difference between blood and lymph, it is red in color. It is red in color due to the presence of, it is red in color due to the presence of red pigment called hemoglobin. Next here, it is colorless. It is colorless fluid due to absence of hemoglobin. This is the first difference. Then coming to the second difference between blood and lymph. The second difference between blood and lymph is that it contains, that means blood, it contains RBC, WBC, platelets and plasma. It contains WBC and plasma. This is the second difference between blood and lymph. Then the third difference between blood and lymph is that, so the blood flows from arteries to capillaries. This is the path. From capillaries to veins to heart. Then here the lymph will flow from lymphatic vessels, from tissue space into the lymphatic vessels, then from lymphatic vessels to lymphatic capillaries, then to heart. So this is the path of flow of lymph, which is called as a fluid. So this is the answer for 20th question. Now let us move for the 21st question. The 21st question is, what is plasma? And draw a neat label diagram of human heart. So what is a plasma? So let us answer the 21st A. So 21st A, one is a diagram related question. Another one is, what is plasma? A colorless fluid in blood, which carries nutrients, salt, waste materials and carbon dioxide, is called as plasma. So by this we have successfully answered all the questions related to practice paper number 9, that is biology. So by this we have completely answered the practice paper number 9. In the next video we are going to answer for practice paper number 10. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So thanks everyone for your great support. Once again, thank you very much.